Hello there! Let me show you how you can connect your Shopify store to Airboxr. Head on over to the Shopify App Store. Search for Airboxr. Click here on Add App. And now click here on Install App. And now you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. The only reason you need to do this is so that we can bring your data into your Google Sheets. Once you're done with this process, you're going to start seeing some data insights about your store right here on the home page. But if you really want to have fun with it, head on over to the Hops Marketplace. We have an amazing list of one-click analysis for your store as well as your ad channels here. As you run these hops, you're going to see that the data actually gets imported in a Google Sheets right within Airboxr. That's all.